Hey Dark Luigi, isn't that Yoshi over at the vacuum section of Trinity Car Wash?
It sure is Dark Mario. He is just about to finish cleaning the interior of his car.
I know, right? Do you know what we're going to do?
What is it, Dark Mario?
We're going to throw eggs at Yoshi.
Great idea, Dark Mario. It'll be very funny when Yoshi is all covered in eggs.
There. I finished cleaning the interior of my car here at Trinity Car Wash. Now I'm going to leave this area and head back to Yoshi's Island.
Surprise!
Dark Mario and Dark Luigi, what do you guys want from me? I was just about to leave Trinity Car Wash.
Well, Yoshi, we have a surprise for you.
Yay 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 yay. I love surprises. Where's my surprise?
Here it is.
Hi 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 ha ha. Oh my god, Yoshi, look at you. You're all covered in eggs.
Yep. That was your surprise, Yoshi. Us throwing eggs at you. Wasn't that pretty funny?
You call that a surprise, Dark Mario and Dark Luigi? That wasn't very funny. Now I'm all covered in eggs and I have to take a shower when I get home thanks to you throwing eggs at me.
Hey guys. What's with all the commotion outside Trinity Car Wash? Oh my god. Yoshi. You're all covered in eggs. How did this happen?
Well, Weather Start 4000 video. I had just finished cleaning the interior of my car, and I was just about to leave Trinity Car Wash. But all of a sudden, Dark Mario and Dark Luigi threw eggs at me. Now I'm all covered in eggs and I have to take a shower when I get home thanks to them.
Dark Mario and Dark Luigi. You don't ever throw eggs at people, especially Yoshi here at Trinity Car Wash. You know doing that kind of stuff to someone is rude and embarrassing. Now thanks to you, Yoshi is all covered in eggs and he has to take a shower when he gets home. That's it. Both of you, depart from this area and go home right now while I contact your parents. Hello Dark Mario and Dark Luigi's parents. This is Weatherster 4000 video speaking. Your sons threw eggs at Yoshi here at Trinity Car Wash. Can you ground them when they get home?
Dark Mario and Dark Luigi did what? Oh my god. Thank you for telling us. We're going to ground them straight away. Goodbye. Dark Mario and Dark Luigi. Weatherstar 4000 video has told us through phone that you threw eggs at Yoshi at Trinity Car Wash. You know that throwing eggs at people is rude and embarrassing.
Your father's right, Dark Mario and Dark Luigi. Now Yoshi is all covered in eggs and he has to take a shower when he gets home thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 10 days. Both of you. Go to your room right now.
Wow.